In here.
Hey, keep an eye on that side in case.
I know. Smart ass little gadget, huh? Fuck you. See, there's our guys over there. Stun guard over here. Covered me with his AK-47. Got my 12 gauge. Some moss on the ground right there. Any messages for the buddies at home? Used grenade on the ground. See if there's anybody over there. Yep. You want to say anything to the guys at home?
Fucking rock on.
Squeeze off a couple bursts, dude, so I can get some footage of that. You got a visual out there?
Nah.
Hell yeah, raw combat footage.
There's 21, box 21 left side.
Alright. I'm going to the FAMAS.
Check the right side of that, box 21.
Alright. Oh, goddammit. Let me pick up my sexy bitch right here. You said box 21, right? Alright. Alright. Oh shit, fucking rock. Alright. That's enough footage for you guys at home. I need to get into this fucking battle, because if not, I'm gonna get my ass shot. Later.